Creating a CRM in WordPress allows you to manage customer relationships directly from your website. Here's how to set one up. Choose a CRM plugin. Start by installing a CRM plugin. Popular options include WP ERP, offers CRM, HR, and accounting modules. Jetpack CRM, lightweight and easy to use. HubSpot for WordPress, integrates marketing and CRM tools. Install and activate. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, add new, search for your chosen CRM plugin, install and activate it. Configure CRM settings. Once activated, go to the CRM tab in your dashboard. Set up your business details, user roles, and permissions. Add contacts and companies. Manually add leads or import them using CSV files. Most plugins allow you to tag, categorize, and track customer interactions. Track communication. Log emails, calls, or notes under each contact. Some plugins integrate with email tools like MailChimp or Gmail for automatic tracking. Use forms to capture leads. Integrate with contact form plugins to automatically add new form submissions to your CRM. Automate tasks. Use built-in automation or connect with tools like Zapier to trigger follow-ups or assign tasks.